Okay, so we are in a horrendous storm, and this is Zia Cat and Give It a Go, and their dock has broken. They are swinging back and forth. The boat next to them, don't know what their name is, they are trying very hard to stay on their dock. They've got their engines going, and they're using their bow thruster and their engines to keep them attached to the dock. This is what we're going through at the moment. We've had tornado warnings. This is a squall that came up. It is insane, insane weather. Oh my God, the two boats are about to bump. Zia Cat is trying to stay connected to the dock, but the dock is just basically floating.
Okay, so our dock broke free, and Zia Cat is sideways along with us. Fire department hopefully is coming. See if they can help us. Terrifying. Not fun.
Now Give It a Go has no way to get off of their boat since the dock has been compromised.
Get my stern.
Trying to secure themselves or trying to do something, but this is the other side of the river. It is just fierce, and the two boats over there, that's Give It a Go and Zia Cat, their dock has broken.
Oh wait, don't go anywhere. You got power hooked up?
It is insane here. It is insane. So we're actually on the St. Lawrence.
Is your power unhooked?
Power's unhooked. Are you ready?
Are you ready? You might go flip over.
He's still tied at the front.
Whoa, whoa.
Yeah, undo it now. There you go.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
No.
There you go, there you go.
Drop it. Noel will get it. I'll throw it. Don't do that.
No, he won't.
Don't I do this one? You gotta be quick.
Oh, wait a minute, he can't hold that.
What you might have to do, you might need to get on your boat. I gotta get loose.
He's got to get loose, though.
No, you're gonna take the dock with you.
No, Scott. Ah! Scott, you good? Okay, all right. Oh my God.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Oh. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, Scott. Oh, Scott. Oh, shit. Oh, Scott. Oh, jeez.
Trying to get out there.
The cat is now loose. Maybe they're getting out of the way. Oh my God. The boat is now completely away from the dock.
Oh, right there.
We gotta get that down.
Forward. Forward. All right, bow thruster, bow thruster.
Give It a Go is trying to secure themselves. Oh, they're just dragging a dock line. Where are you going? They're just dragging the dock behind them. They can't cut it loose. Oh, good gracious. Holy cow.
No, I can't. I'm too far away now. You're good. Keep going.
Do you have a knife?
No. Don't cut it. Let's drag it out of here. I know. People thought we were crazy, but we decided to drag the dock with us so it didn't hit other boats if we let it loose. There was no controlling it in that water.
Is that a tornado siren? So, Give It a Go is just dragging the dock behind them.
Good.
Yes, we're good. Thank you, guys.
All right, we're good?
Yeah, thank you guys.
Oh, absolutely.
That's function. So who's the towboat? You have a license to tow docks? I do now.
Oh.
Didn't want to leave it over there banging in the boat. No, yeah. Especially if it was up against your...
I really appreciate that.
Well, we brought the dock with us. We secured it on the other side over there.
That was you guys.
Yeah. Yeah.
Just doing our rounds because I'm pretty sure that was a microburst.
Well, that was an experience.
The next day.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like.
And how about subscribing?
It's free. Thanks for watching.